Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play word scramble. The core objective is to take a jumbled set of letters and rearrange them to form meaningful words. You'll typically be given a collection of 5 or 6 letters, and your challenge is to discover all possible words that can be created using only those letters. It's a fantastic way to boost your vocabulary and quick thinking skills, offering endless fun for everyone. To begin unscrambling effectively, start by looking for common letter patterns. Many words use familiar prefixes like re or suffixes such as ing. Also, try to spot any 2-letter or 3-letter words hidden within the jumble. These can often be building blocks for longer words. Grouping letters that frequently appear together, like sh or ch, can also help you visualize potential words more quickly. For more advanced play, pay attention to letter frequency. Letters like E, T, and appear in many words, so try building around them. Don't be afraid to mentally shuffle the letters around, experimenting with different starting and ending combinations. Consistent practice, even for just 10 or 15 minutes daily, will significantly enhance your ability to quickly spot words and improve your overall game performance. Scoring in word scramble games usually rewards longer and more complex words. For instance, a 7-letter word will almost always earn more points than a 3-letter word. Some games also assign higher values to less common letters. The ultimate goal is to accumulate the highest total score by finding as many words as possible, especially the longer ones, to secure your victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.